Hey everyone, Chelsea here from Chelsea Makes. Today I'm going to be taking you on a behind the scenes look at how we put together the design of the month, Birdie's Diner. Birdie's Diner is an acrylic, mid-century diner themed bird feeder that you can customize in terms of color, name, and of course, whatever you put on the inside for the menu. As you can see, my Glowforge is right here next to my TV in the middle of my living room, but I work in a very small apartment, so this machine is the perfect size for me. I have the basic model and I use it primarily to make miniatures, but this month I'm super excited because I'm using it to make the design of the month, Birdie's Diner. Creating your very own Birdie's Diner couldn't be easier. When you download the design from the catalog, you'll see that all three components of the design show up immediately in your dashboard. When you open the file, you'll see that the instructions for the assembly of the bird feeder show up to the right. We don't need these just yet, so I'm just going to click this hide button and move it off to the side. Now you can clearly see the whole file is fitting on our piece of proof grade material. I'm going to select the pan tool just to center my design on my screen. Because this is a Glowforge design, it's meant to work perfectly with your machine and our proof grade materials. In this case, you can see that I chose medium turquoise acrylic, and so those settings are already linked up right here on the side. Because this is a Glowforge design, all of the layers are fully set depending on the type of cut, score, or engrave they are. There's not much we need to do here aside from cut, so when I'm ready, I'm just going to go ahead and click the print button. Once you have cut and unmasked all of your pieces, it's time to start assembling. My recommendation is to start with all of the pieces that need to be glued first. In this case, it's these sign elements and then some added decorative details on the front here, as well as the tops of the seats. Now, I'm going to be using this glue, but because I have had too many instances where I've glued my hands to my project and my fingers together, I'm going to be wearing rubber gloves, and I'm also going to be pouring a little bit of glue out on a scrap piece of material and applying the glue exactly where I need it by using a toothpick, or in this case, a coffee stirrer. So let's get started. The last thing you have to do is decide what you're serving at your diner. When you find the bird seat of your choice, all you have to do to fill it is either slide back the roof and pour it into the top, or you can just put it through the windows. So that is it. That is how you assemble your Birdie's Diner. I hope the birds in your neighborhood are going to love it as much as I do. If you want to find out a little bit more about what I'm making, give me a follow at Chelsea Makes. Head to my website, chelseamakes.com, or keep an eye out for me on Season 3 of NBC's Making It, premiering June 24th at 8 p.m. See you there!